Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing review of the Apple iPad Pro, which is a 11-inch device which I did order. So this is a M4 latest powerful chipset which is present in this Apple iPad Pro device, and this is a 11-inch device which I'm going to do the quick unboxing in this video. And definitely this is going to be pretty powerful mobile device regarding the performance. So when it comes to the M4 performance, so definitely I'm going to test the performance of this M4 capabilities. So let's do the quick unboxing of this Apple iPad Pro. So which did cost kind of close to 80 to 90,000 if you try to convert to the Indian rupees. So right now let me try to do the quick unboxing of the Apple iPad Pro. So this is a quick unboxing of the Apple iPad Pro with the M4 chipset. Let me try to quickly do the unboxing. And this is 11-inch device, and 512 GB variant is the internal storage for this Apple iPad Pro, and which is definitely pretty slim. I can definitely feel the light of the device, so that's very light guys, so trust me. That's the first impression which I got here. And next thing, we do get the cable, so which is the Type-C to Type-C cable, so which is also branded pretty good, and is adapter, so charging adapter also we got along with the box. That's also pretty neat. So let's keep everything inside the box, and there is a warranty, some papers. And now let me do quickly remove the label. So this is a quick impression. Definitely the first feel which I got after holding the device is a very lightweight. So this is lightweight, which is a Apple iPad Pro. So let me do quickly remove the plastic paper here. So this is exact the color variant which I did order, so which looks really stunning. You can definitely see, and you can see the slimness of the device, so which is really pretty slim. So the first impressions are really very good with this device. Overall my experience of holding the device is really very good. I did like the overall form factor of the device as well regarding the weight of the iPad. So now let me do the initial setup process for the Apple iPad Pro device, so which is a M4 chipset. So this is my first time booting up the device, and I'm going to do the initial setup process. And so you can see this how much thickness of the device as well, so which is pretty really very slim. So let me compare with the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you can see the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPad Pro, the difference how it is, the thickness between these both phones. And right now the phone did boot up. Let me quickly set up the device. So right now I'm trying to kind of transfer the device like 15 Pro Max. I'm trying to use the same kind of account in the iPad Pro, so I'm trying to sync both. So right now you can see, so that's what the setup I'm trying to do at this moment. And right now I got the software update as well, so let me quickly to update now, and let me click. So right now update also trying to download, so I just want to keep up to date so before I start using the device. So once the update is completed, I'll try to install the update, and then I'll try to upload the video as well. But meanwhile I'll definitely test the performance of the M4 as well in chipset in this device. So thank you for watching friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, signing off and bye. I'm gonna do a lot of gaming test on this iPad Pro as well, on this M4 chipset iPad Pro. So meanwhile, signing off and bye.